Hi there. ThingsBoard supports a multilingual interface through its built-in internationalization system. You can select and use the interface in your regional language, or simply choose the one that best matches your preferences. For more specific customization, the custom translation feature is available. It allows you to add new languages, modify or extend existing translations, and adapt dashboards and other elements for users from different regions. In this video, we'll walk through dashboard internationalization. Let's get started. Let's say you're an English-speaking user managing a dashboard that's accessed by clients from different countries. To ensure that every user can easily understand the interface, the names of all components, including the dashboard title, widget labels, device names, telemetry keys, and other elements, should be displayed in the user's preferred language. We added a link to the JSON file of this dashboard, along with all the other assets used in the video, in the description down below. You can import the dashboard and follow along with us for the most complete experience on the topic. For this demonstration, I created a tenant user account where German is set as the interface language. However, when opening the dashboard, you'll notice that its elements are still displayed in English, ignoring the user's language preferences. This is where custom translation comes in. Let's switch back to the tenant administrator account. The first step is to add translation keys along with their English values. On the Custom Translations tab of the white labeling page, open the editor for the English language by clicking on it. You'll see a table with 3 columns, a terminology key used to link an interface element with its translation, the input field for the key value in English, which is the value that will be used as a fallback for all languages that don't have a specific translation for this key, and the input field for the key value in the selected language. Below the table, you'll find convenient filters to help you locate specific terminology keys. The translated filter displays keys that already have a translation for the selected localization, while untranslated shows keys that are still missing translations. The customized filter highlights only the keys whose translations have been manually modified by the user, and the added key shows the keys that were manually added to the localization file. Click the plus icon to add a new translation key. First, let's add a key value pair for the dashboard title. Enter the term key as shown on the screen, then fill in the right column with the actual name of the dashboard, which in our case is weather. Click Enter to apply the changes. To speed up the process, you can use a JSON file that contains a translation map with keys and their corresponding translations. This option is especially useful when you have a large number of keys and creating them manually through the interface would be too time-consuming. I've prepared such a JSON file for this demonstration. Go to the Advanced tab. You'll see a system-generated code snippet containing the previously added key and its English value. Replace this code with the content from the JSON file. The new snippet includes all the required keys along with their translations. Don't forget to save your changes. Now it's time to add translations for the German locale. Return to the main page of the Custom Translations menu and open the editor for the German language. Use the Added Key filter to quickly display the recently created keys along with their English values. For each of these keys, you need to provide the corresponding German translation. You can enter the translations manually or once again, speed up the process by using a JSON code snippet. After adding the translation keys, it's time to update the dashboard to use them. Go to the Dashboards page. First, we'll apply a custom translation key to the title of our dashboard. Click the pencil icon to the right of the weather dashboard to open its details. Then, click the bright orange pencil icon to enter edit mode. In the title field of the interface element, replace the plain text with a key using the I18N prefix wrapped in curly braces, like this. From now on, we'll refer to these keys as translation keys. Click the check mark icon to save your changes. As you can see, the key value has been pulled in, displaying the title in English. Weather. Now open the dashboard. Let's apply internationalization to the temperature and humidity history widget. Enter edit mode for this widget. Next, add custom translation keys to the temperature and humidity telemetry labels. Scroll down to the Y-axis section and insert the appropriate translation keys into the Y-axis label fields. Finally, scroll to the Appearance section and replace the title field value with the corresponding translation key. Click Apply to save your changes. I will add internationalization keys to the remaining widgets off-screen. The steps for doing so are identical to the ones I just demonstrated for the chart widget. The changes are not visible, as the translation keys I've put in were instantly swapped with their translations. Now, the moment of truth. I will log in to the German user's account and open our dashboard. You can now see that all fields are translated into German according to the translation map we added. Doing the same exact steps, but with other languages, will make the dashboard translated for users from more countries. That wraps up today's video. Thanks for watching it all the way to the end. If you have any questions or thoughts, feel free to share them in the comments section below. I see you in the next video.